Do you want to create your own group on Facebook where you can connect with people, share posts, and build a community? Let me guide you through the full process, step by step. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once it opens, tap on the three lines menu at the top left corner of your screen. From here, scroll and click on Groups. Now, look at the top left and tap on the plus button to start creating your new group. Next, click on Create Group. At this stage, you'll need to type in the name of your group. After naming it, you have to choose the privacy setting. If you want your group to be private, where only members can see posts, select Private. But if you want anyone to view it, choose Public. Once you decide, tap on Create Group. Now, Facebook will ask you to invite people. You'll see a list of suggested friends whom you can add immediately. Select the ones you want, then click on Next. After that, you can upload a cover photo for your group to make it look more attractive. Once done, click on Next. Now, type in a group description to let people know what your group is about, and then click Next again. Finally, you can create your very first post in the group, or if you don't want to post anything yet, simply click on Skip. And that's it! Your Facebook group is now successfully created. You can start inviting more people, posting updates, and building your community. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful Facebook tutorials.